In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Homebase, a powerful all-in-one platform crafted specifically for hourly teams and small businesses. Homebase comes equipped with a range of essential tools and features designed to streamline your operations, saving you time and helping you manage your team more effectively. We'll be diving into its core features, including employee scheduling, time clocks and timesheets, payroll and compliance, hiring and onboarding, team messaging, and HR tools, as well as employee perks and recognition. Let's begin with the employee scheduling feature. This tool allows you to build and manage your team's work schedules easily, right from your computer or mobile device. With Homebase, you can create a schedule with just a few clicks and share it instantly with your team. This feature helps ensure everyone knows when they're working and can even remind team members of their shifts, reducing the likelihood of missed shifts or confusion. Moving on to time clocks and timesheets, Homebase offers a powerful solution to track employee hours accurately. Whether your employees clock in via mobile, web, or a tablet at your location, Homebase collects this data seamlessly. It automatically calculates hours worked and breaks taken, which can be very handy when it comes to calculating payroll. This system enhances accuracy and simplifies the often tedious task of timesheet management. Speaking of payroll, Homebase provides a comprehensive payroll and compliance tool that makes it easy to pay your team, handle deductions, and ensure you're meeting all regulatory requirements. You can integrate this feature with your timesheets, which means payroll calculations can be done quickly and with high accuracy, saving you from manual errors and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. Now, let's discuss the hiring and onboarding tools within Homebase. These features are designed to help you attract and onboard the best talent effectively and efficiently. You can post job openings on multiple platforms, track applicants, and streamline the interview process all in one place. Once you've made your hiring decision, Homebase assists in setting up new hires, making the onboarding process smooth and welcoming. Communication is key in any business, and Homebase's team messaging feature aids in keeping your team connected and informed. From group messaging to one-on-one conversations, this tool helps you share updates and foster a strong team culture. It's a centralized hub for all team communications, which can help prevent misunderstandings and increase overall productivity. Finally, Homebase includes a rich suite of HR tools, employee perks, and recognition options. These features help maintain employee satisfaction and motivation. From managing employee documents to recognizing outstanding performance, Homebase supports you in building a positive workplace environment that values your team's contributions. In summary, Homebase offers a comprehensive toolkit to manage your business operations efficiently, from scheduling to payroll, hiring, communication, and employee management. Whether you're just starting or are an experienced business owner, Homebase can provide the structure and functionality you need to manage your hourly team effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this overview helpful.